We've landed into a graceful transition into fall, and I couldn't be more happy about it. Where I live in BC, Canada, in the interior, there is so many orchards and lots of tree fruits, and we have the perfect amount of all 4 seasons. In fact, as a teenager, I worked at an orchard for a summer or two, thinning the apple trees. And then later on in life, I ended up working at the same place, but this time it was helping to make pies because they had transitioned from just selling the fruit into making products with the fruit. I've always loved working with my hands, and today I'm using some apple to make a creamy apple cinnamon oatmeal. And this is just the perfect breakfast for fall time. I made this recipe up, but I'll leave it in the description below. Today is Monday, and I don't have very much planned. I just plan on cozying up around the house, tidying a few things, and doing some cooking. I plan on making a soup later today. I really love a nice creamy oatmeal, and so I'm adding a little bit of milk to this as it thickens. I really want to thank all of my viewers and subscribers who gave well wishes for my dad and prayed for him as he spent about a month and a half or even more in the hospital. And he is just going to be getting out and finally going home. There were a lot of close calls and many times when we didn't know if he would make it back home. And so we are just so happy and feel so blessed that he will continue to be in our lives for hopefully a long while to come. And so I've been in more of a contemplative mood lately. I've been spending more time just with family and on my own, just taking everything in and slowing down. times like this that really make you realize how short life really is, how quickly time passes, and how important the people in your life are, and that you need to treasure those moments. I really feel this transition happening in my life right now, and I can't even really put it into words or explain it. Just that I feel drawn to not taking on so much, slowing down, and spending a lot more time doing things that matter. I found a recipe online for a Tuscan white bean soup, which is what I'll be making. And I'm using some dried white kidney beans. I'm altering the recipe a little bit just by adding a few extra vegetables. And this is going to be a hearty dinner for tonight. With my sons and my husband working out on the farm all day, they get exhausted and very hungry. This is my first year not being part of the farm crew. I still do have some work for our farm and I do deliveries, but it's my first year not working outside all day in the summertime. And it's really allowed me to hone in on my cleaning routines. And I feel like I've really been able to keep a cleaner house, and that's helped me stay a lot more sane. Living on a farm, one of the things is that we have a lot of bugs, and specifically a lot of spiders. And so I'm always battling webs in every corner. And I've shared on another recent video that one of the things I've been using is a shop vac in order to suck up all the spider webs in the basement. This is the back entrance to our house, but it gets used the most because the farm workers come in and out this way constantly, so it gets full of mud. All summer, I have just been going out and harvesting vegetables as I need them. That way, they're always the most fresh, which means that we're getting the most vitamins and minerals possible. And all of our food that we grow is organic. And I'm gathering everything that I need for my soup. And here's my son, Sam. He is one of our farm workers. And I'm digging up some fresh carrots. Even though we're in fall, it's still really hot during the day, but we get cooler nights and it's getting darker earlier in the evening and it stays dark longer in the morning. And so I'm still getting really hot when I go outside. I'm really enjoying the extra time that I have to take things slow and really enjoy each moment. And preparing this deliciously hearty soup for my family is something that I enjoy doing. I don't think I've made a soup in months, and so this is going to be a treat. I think spring and fall are my favorite times of year, although summer is very special as well. And I also love winter, so it's just hard for me to decide what I love best. If I had to choose, I would say it's spring because there's so much hope and possibility for the future, and everything is in bloom, everything is green and beautiful. And then fall seems to be the complete opposite. Everything is turning brown and dying and going away in preparation for the first snowfall. And it's more of a feeling of cozying in and warming up to home life because we've spent so much time outdoors now. And in the fall time, you really start to want to be inside. And I really love that because I love home life. I'm really happy to be adding all of these vegetables into this soup because I feel like lately my diet has been a little bit off. And what tells me that is that I've been craving sweets. And I haven't craved sweets in quite a long time, but lately I've just had these cravings and I've been fighting them and not going out and buying sweets, but I keep thinking about it. And to me, this tells me that there's something lacking in my diet that I need to attend to. I really enjoyed making this soup. It has white beans and sausage and all the vegetables, and it turned out delicious. So if you're interested in trying this soup recipe, I will link it in the description box below. One of the things I love about making soup, alongside the fact that it's very healthy, is that it often provides leftovers. And I love anything that gives me leftovers for a second meal. I want to thank you for spending this cozy time in my farmhouse with me today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in next week's video. Take care and have a great day.